Good day, Mami Sir. I'm Chris Tarino. I agreed to interview to have this video published by Global ACE Med Agency for purpose of introduction myself to prospective employers. I understand this video might be published on YouTube, social media, and other recruitment platforms. I am 34 years old. I am separated. I have one children. Their age are 11 years old. I am graduate from high school graduate in 2009. I have work experience in Philippines for 2 years as a housemaid, where I did get general housework like cleaning, cooking, laundry, and ironing. Also, I have worked overseas experience work in Hong Kong for 2 years, where I took care of children, 2 cats, and also did household chores. I can do general housework like cooking, simple cook meals, and I am willing to learn more. I can also take care of babies, elderly people, and even bedridden patients with proper guidance. I understand and accept this two years contract in Malaysia. I agreed to use my phone only for working hours. I am respectful, hardworking, and trustworthy. I hope you will consider for me for this opportunity. Thank you very much.